All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of this sweet Alabama multi-signed 2009 BCS Champs helmet. We will check the time March 16th at 8:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the, what we'll call it a raffle, and type live. And we have March 16th at 8:42 p.m. Here are our 8 entrants. We have Corey with 1, James with 2, Joe with 1, Randy with 1, Kevin Jones with 2, and Ryan Huth with 1. So we're just going to randomize your names, and whoever's on top after the final roll wins this beautiful helmet. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 5. Okay, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. It is Kevin Jones, and spot number 6 is our winner. So Kevin, please, I got your address. Congratulations. There's our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 16th at 8:43 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.